Hi everybody, welcome back to my kitchen. Today what I'd like to share with y'all is how I make chicken flautas. Let's get on to the ingredients. Okay, for this all we're gonna need is some shredded chicken, some corn tortillas. We need a skillet to warm up the tortillas and some toothpicks and a skillet with some hot oil that I have preheating over there. So let's get started. Okay, the first step to this recipe, which is very easy, is a little bit of oil. What we're doing here is we're just going to soften up the tortillas to where they're malleable, where you can roll them up and they won't break. And I get the next one. And of course you're going to make as many as you want for your family. You can make a whole bunch ahead of time. And you can put them in the oven to keep them warm after you fry them up. And they will hold there at about 175 the temperature with no problem. They just keep getting crunchier and crunchier the longer they sit. But of course I don't think they're going to last that long once you make them. Okay, what we do with this, I just use my fingers to get the chicken. And this is a chicken that I had made previously that I just keep extra in the freezer because I can make different things, flautas, crispy tacos. Okay, and I put the chicken in the tortilla just like that. I try not to go too far to the edges, and I wrap them tightly, okay, with the seam side down. I put it down like this. I fill the next one. Same thing. Not too far to the edges. Okay, you want to wrap it tightly. You're not going to pull on it to where the tortilla is going to tear, but you want them pretty tight so they don't fall apart. Okay. Okay, now the next step after this is we're going to take 3 and 3. That's why I made 6 to show y'all. Okay, all the seams of the corn tortillas, like these two, we're going to put the seams together. So when we put the toothpick in, they hold each other in like that. Okay, and I just crisscross the toothpicks like this on the ends. Okay, you push the meat in. One there, I hope you can see this, and one here. So basically it's just 2 crisscrosses like that. You see? One like this and one on the other side. Okay, let's do the other ones. And I have found that that's worked pretty well for me. So I try not to change it. I've tried inserting it on each one and it ends up tearing the tortilla. This seems to do pretty well. Okay, just like that. And then the last pair, do the same thing. You pinch those seams together. Push the chicken back like that if it starts coming out. Crisscross here. And crisscross here. Okay, and then I have a skillet that has been preheating with some vegetable oil, and it's pretty much about 350 degrees. Okay guys, let's get to frying these. I'm going to move you over. I hope you can see what I'm doing. I do get the flautas with the tongs because I don't want to be burning my hands. See how hot that is? I turn it down just a little bit. And I put the next 2. And then the next 2. I don't put more than 3 pair at a time because you want to give them room to fry. And then I just put them on this plate with the paper towel so they can drain. And you're going to let them fry for about 2 minutes aside. 2 to 3 minutes aside. And that depends on how hot your oil is. Okay, then I turn them around. See the color on those? Flip them over and be careful. Take your time because this is very hot. Take a look at the color on those. I hope you can see them. I'm going to bring you in close. You're making a whole bunch of these for the family, but what I like to do is I like to get a cookie tray with the cooling rack, and I put it in the oven with the temperature at 175, and as I'm pulling them out of the deep fryer, I put them in the oven so they stay nice and warm until I'm done with the rest of them, so you can make a whole bunch of them, and they're not cold. Like this one here is done. You can see the color. I'm going to try to get this as close as I can to you. And then I set them here. I don't mess with the toothpicks because the flautas are still hot. So we're going to leave them alone for just a minute. I let them cool for a little bit. I'm going to squeeze for a minute so I can touch them. And then I just pull the toothpicks out. And they slide out pretty easy. Okay guys, I'm going to plate these up. We're going to take the test. I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the final product. I like to plate it up with some guacamole and some crema fresca on top. And this, you can serve them without this, whatever you prefer. Take a taste. Crispy on the outside. Chicken is moist on the inside. Real good, guys. I hope y'all give it a try. If you like our video and would like to see more of them, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and share on your social media, guys. Thanks, guys. Bye.